Hello and welcome to this short video on how to install a Brother printer, multifunction device and single function scanner into macOS Sonoma using AirPrint. It is written primarily for wired and wireless network connected devices, simply because those connected via USB usually just automatically install as soon as they are plugged into macOS. That being said, there have been instances where they won't, so following this video should help. Let's get started. From the dock, click the System Settings icon, and then find and click the Printers and Scanners option. From here, click the Add Printer, Scanner or Fax button. macOS will begin to search for any USB and network connected devices. In this example, it has found 2 of them. I want to install this Brother MFC. And after selecting it, I can see its model name, location, which by the way was taken directly from the device, as well as the Brother specific AirPrint driver that macOS has automatically selected. Please note that if there are any communication issues or restrictions between your Brother device and macOS, you may see a generic driver instead. To change it, click the up and down arrows as shown here in blue. To start the installation, click the Add button. If your device has fax capabilities, like mine does, macOS will now ask you if you want to add this functionality. Since this is an educational how-to video, let's add it. The installation will continue and shortly finish. Despite being listed under printers, if your device has scanning capabilities, this will also represent the AirPrint scanner driver. Since I added it earlier, you can also see the fax printer underneath. Thank you for watching.